Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to have wheatgrass powder. The simplest and most effective way to consume wheatgrass powder is by mixing it with water. Take 1 level teaspoon, which is about 3 grams, of wheatgrass powder and add it to 8 ounces of plain water. Stir it well until there are no clumps remaining. This method ensures you get the full benefits of the wheatgrass directly and efficiently, making it a quick addition to your daily routine. If the earthy taste of wheatgrass powder is too strong for you, there are delicious ways to incorporate it. Try blending 1 teaspoon into your morning fruit smoothie with ingredients like banana and berries. Alternatively, mix it with 8 ounces of fresh apple or orange juice. The sweetness helps to mask the distinct flavor. You can also add it to a green juice alongside spinach and cucumber for an extra nutritional boost, making it a versatile ingredient. To maximize the benefits of wheatgrass powder, timing and preparation are key. It is generally recommended to consume your wheatgrass mixture on an empty stomach, ideally first thing in the morning, to ensure optimal nutrient absorption. Once mixed, drink it immediately. The beneficial enzymes and nutrients can degrade quickly when exposed to air. Consistency is also crucial, so make it a daily habit to experience the full range of its health-supporting properties over time. Before fully integrating wheatgrass powder into your diet, consider a few important points. Start with a smaller dose, perhaps half a teaspoon, for the first few days to allow your body to adjust, then gradually increase to 1 full teaspoon. Always consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications, to ensure it is suitable for you. Remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day to support your body's natural detoxification processes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.